Hello and welcome. In this video, we're going to dive into packages in Go. We'll explore how they help you organize your code effectively. So what exactly are Go packages? A package is essentially a collection of Go source files that all work together. Think of it as a single, cohesive unit of compilation and functionality. Packages help to keep your code organized, reusable, and well encapsulated. When you use packages, you can group related functionality together, share code across different programs, and control access to internal implementation details, thus ensuring better code management and modularity. Now, let's talk about how to declare a package. The syntax is quite straightforward. You start with the keyword package, followed by the package name. For example, package main, package utils, or package math. There are a few important rules to keep in mind. First, the package declaration must be the first non-comment line in every Go file. Second, all files within the same directory must share the same package name. Lastly, executable programs should use package main to designate the entry point of the application. Next up, import statements. These are used to include packages in your Go programs, allowing you to use their functionalities. There are a couple of ways to import packages. You can use a single import statement like import FMT, or you can use multiple import statements grouped together within parentheses. Additionally, Go offers some advanced import techniques, such as aliasing, dot imports, and blank imports. Aliasing lets you rename a package for easier use. Dot imports bring the package's symbols into the current scope, and blank imports are used to trigger initialization routines without directly using the package's content. Visibility is key when designing packages. In Go, whether a variable or function is accessible from outside the package depends on whether it's exported or unexported. Exported identifiers, which are public, begin with a capital letter. These can be accessed from other packages. On the other hand, unexported identifiers, which are private, begin with a lowercase letter. These are only accessible within the same package. For example, a function named calculate would be exported, while a function named helper would be unexported. Let's discuss naming conventions. It's important to follow these conventions to maintain readability and consistency across Go projects. Package names should consist of lowercase letters only, without underscores or camel case. They should be short and descriptive, conveying the package's purpose clearly. Also, avoid using plural forms. For instance, prefer time over times. Good package names include FMT, HTTP, JSON, and NET, while names like format, HTTP, JSON utils, or networks should be avoided. Here's an example of a typical Go project structure. We have a main application directory, myapp, which contains the main.go file. Inside myapp, there are two subdirectories, utils and models. The utils directory might contain files like helper.go and math.go, while the models directory might contain user.go and product.go. In main.go, you would import and use these packages like this: import myapp utils and import myapp models. Then, you can call functions like utils.calculate or models.newUser. To summarize, let's go over the key takeaways. Every Go file starts with a package declaration. Visibility is controlled by the case of the first letter. Capital letters indicate exported, public members, while lowercase letters indicate unexported, private members. Use the import system to include packages and their functionalities in your code. And finally, adhere to naming rules by using lowercase, short, and descriptive package names.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.